Hey, this is Jaden's first dip here in Fort Lauderdale. You okay? All right. Yeah, I see. Be careful. Okay. All right, there we go. Get those little Twinkies wet. I see you. His face hadn't changed yet. Oh man, you having a good time, Jaden? I can't tell if he's just chilling. He don't have much of it. Oh yeah, he felt it then. Oh, that's good stuff. Yeah. Woo. Let me put the shoe out of the way. Get a close up on you. Good. We'll get some little floaters and put it on him next time.
When I get bigger, Daddy.
Yeah.
See, when you get bigger, Daddy.
I'm too ambitious. I want him to start challenging Michael Phelps already.
We think, oh.
Oh, bless his heart.
See, now I don't want any
My
more,
little
Daddy.
feet are cold. Yeah, that was it.
Oh.